Do you want to learn some cool patterns that you can create on your 3x3 puzzle cube? Our first pattern is cube in a cube in a cube. This pattern creates an illusion of 3 cubes with different sizes stacked into each other. Here's how it goes. U prime, L prime, U prime, F prime, R2, B prime, R, F, U, B2, U, B prime, L, U prime, F, U, R, and F prime. Our next pattern is Kilt. This pattern resembles a Scottish skirt. Let me know what you think about this pattern. Okay, let's start. U prime, R2, L2, F2, B2, U prime, R, L, F, B prime, U, F2, D2, R2, L2, F2, U2, F2, U prime, and F2. Our third pattern is dots, where all the center colors are swapped. This pattern is simple, but very unique and interesting to look at. Here we go. U, D prime, R, L prime, F, B prime, U, D prime. Our fourth pattern is Superflip, where all the edges are flipped. This is a famous pattern that has amused many people. Alright, let's start. U, R2, F, B, R, B2, R, U2, L, B2, R, U prime, D prime, R2, F, R prime, L, B2, U2, F2. Our fifth pattern is Megatron. This pattern is a robot in disguise in a puzzle cube. Let's see if we can spot it. Here we go. U, L, D, R prime, F, D2, R2, F2, R prime, F, D2, B, L2, U2, D prime, R2, U, R2, B2, L2. Our next pattern is the easy checkerboard. This pattern is the easiest to create and it is beautiful. Here's how it goes. M2, E2, S2. Our final pattern is picnic. Here's a very interesting pattern. See if you can see a picture with 4 people sitting around a nice picnic mat on a puzzle cube. Ready? Let's go. D2, R2, L2, F2, B2. These are the 7 interesting patterns that you can create on the puzzle cube. What do you think? Which one is your favorite? If you know of other nice and interesting puzzle cube patterns, do share with us in the comments below. Alright cubers, straight to the cube. Bye for now.